Class 6 Max NCERT syllabus, Chapter 2, Whole Numbers, Exercise 2.1. In this video, we are going to discuss and learn all the problems from Exercise 2.1 with their answers, with their solutions and clean and clear explanations. Let us see answer for question number 1. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Next 3 numbers means next 3 successors. The 3 successors of 10,999. First number, first successor after 10,999 is 10,999 plus 1, which is equal to 11,000. See, 10,999 is written as 10,000 plus 999. While you are adding 1 with the 10,999, we are adding 1 with 999. Okay, so this number becomes 1000. So 10,000 plus 1000 gives you 11,000. So now 11,000 plus 1 is the next second successor of 10,999, which is equal to 11,001. The third successor is 11,001 plus 1, which is equal to 11,002. So 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002 are the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Let us see answer for question number 2. Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Just before means predecessors. Okay, so the 3 predecessors of 10,001 are 10,001 minus 1, which is equal to 10,000. And then 10,000 minus 1, which is equal to 9,999. It is given here. The calculation is given here. We are borrowing 1 from 1 in 10,000 place. So this 0 has become 10. And then from this 10, we are lending 1. So this 10 has become 9. And the next number has become 10. From this 10, we are lending 1 to 0 in 10th place. So 0 in 10th place has become 1, 0, 10. So 10 in 100th place has become 9. 0 in 10th place has become 10. From this 10, we are lending 1 to, which means we are lending 1 10 to 0 ones. So we are getting 10 ones. Okay. So listen here. From 10 tens, we have lent 110 to 0 ones. So 10 tens minus 110 gives you 9 tens. So what is the number we have here? 9, 9, 9 and 10. 10 in ones place. 10 ones minus 1 ones is equal to 10 minus 1, so 9. Now 9 is in tens place. 9 minus nothing is equal to 9. Again 9 in hundreds place minus nothing is 9. 9 minus nothing is 9. So 9,999 is the second predecessor. Next 9,999 minus 1 is equal to 9,998. Okay. Then next problem number 3. Which is the smallest whole number? We know that a whole numbers is set of all numbers begin with 0. 0 and all natural numbers. Set of 0 along with the natural numbers is set of whole numbers. Right. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Next problem number 4. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Listen here. The hint given here is between. So you should start counting from 33 to 52. you should not include 32 and 53 because it is given here numbers lying between 32 and 53 should be taken into account. Okay, so between 32 and 53 we have numbers from 33 to 52. So what are the numbers lying from 33 to 40, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, totally 8 numbers. From 41 to 50 we have 10 numbers, and then 51 and 52 we have 2 numbers. Totally 10 plus 8 plus 2, which is equal to 20 numbers. So there are 20 numbers between 32 and 53. You can write as there are 20 numbers from 33 to 52. See here, from 32 to 52 means you have to include 32 and 52. In case of between, you should not include the given 2 numbers. Okay. So there are 20 numbers between 32 and 53, or else 20 numbers from 33 to 52. Okay. Let us see problem number 5. Write the successor of the given numbers. Numbers are given here. The first one is successor means number plus 1. Whatever be the number given here, just add 1. Okay. See, we have 24 lakh 40,000 and 701. This number plus 1 gives you 24 lakh 40,000 702. Next, 1 lakh 199. Successor is given number plus 1, which is equal to 199 plus 1 gives you 200. Right. So 1 lakh 200 is the successor of 1 lakh 199. Next, 10 lakh 99,999. This number plus 1 is equal to 11 lakh. Okay. See, here 99,999 plus 1 gives you 1 lakh. Already 10 lakhs plus 1 lakh is equal to 11 lakhs. Next, 23 lakh 45,670. Its successor is this number plus 1. So 70 plus 1 is 71. So 23 lakh 45,670 plus 1 is 23 lakh 45,671. Very easy. Successor means the next number. Predecessor means the previous number. Okay. Otherwise, successor is equal to the given number plus 1. Okay. Let us see problem number 6 with its solution. Write the predecessor. Yeah. Numbers are given. We have to find the predecessor of the given numbers. 94. Predecessor means number minus 1. So 94. Predecessor is 94 minus 1, 93. 10,000. Predecessor is 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. Here 2 lakh 8,090 is there. Its predecessor is 2 lakh 8,090 minus 1, which is equal to 2 lakh 8,089. 90 minus 1 is 89. Right. Last one. 76 lakh 54,321 is the number given. Its predecessor is 76 lakh 54,321 minus 1. 21 minus 1 is 20. So the answer is 76 lakh 54,320. Okay. Problem number 7. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left side of the other number on the number line. So we have to draw number line first. We have to plot the numbers accordingly. Then we have to find out which number is on the left side of the other number. Okay. Also write them with the appropriate sign greater than or less than between them. Okay. We have pairs of numbers. Pair means set of 2. Okay. First pair is 530 and 503. Draw a number line. 503 is less than 530. So this will be lying to the left side of 530. So see, 503 is less than 530. See, 503 is on the left of 530. Next number 370 and 307. See, 307 is less than 370. This is a smaller number. So this number will be lying to the left side of 370. So 370 is to the right side of 307. 370 is greater than 307. 370 is greater than 307 and 307 is on the left side of 370. Both we have to write. 98,765 and 56,789. See, both the numbers are 5-digit numbers. Already we had 3-digit numbers with digit in hundreds place are same. Okay, but here digits in 10,000 place are not same. One is 9, another one is 5. So obviously the 5-digit number which starts with a smaller number is the smallest number. So 56,789 is the smallest number, and then 98,765 is the biggest number. So it takes place the right side. Okay, so 98,765 is greater than 56,789. So 56,789 is on the left of 98,765. Next, 98,30,415. Okay, and then 1,25,001. See, this is a 7-digit number and this number is an 8-digit number. So obviously the 7-digit number is less than the 8-digit number. So 98,30,415 takes place in the left side on the number line, and 1,25,001 takes place in the right side of the number line. Okay, so 98,30,415 is less than 1,25,001. And so 98,30,415 is on the left of 1,25,001 on the number line. Okay, over. Next question, number 8. See, we have set of questions here. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? First one, 0 is the smallest natural number. False. Why? 0 is the smallest whole number. Natural numbers start with 1, right? So 1 is the smallest natural number, but it is given here 0 is the smallest natural number. So false. 400 is the predecessor of 399. No, false, because 400 is the successor of 399. Okay, so the given statement is false. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number. Yeah, true. That one is true. 600 is the successor of 599. Yeah, 99 plus 1 is 100. Already 500 is there. So 500 plus 100 is 600. So 600 is the successor of 599. This statement is true. The fourth one is true. See, next, all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, whole numbers are natural numbers along with 0. So all natural numbers begin with 1, 2, 3, etc. are whole numbers. True. All whole numbers are natural numbers. This statement is false because set of whole numbers begin with 0. Set of whole numbers is having all the natural numbers, but it is having one more additional numeral 0. But natural numbers do not have 0. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers. So the given statement all whole numbers are natural numbers is false. The predecessor of a two-digit number is never a single-digit number. The predecessor means previous number, right? Predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. No, it is false because consider two-digit number 10. Its predecessor is 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. 9 is a single-digit number. Never means not always. Okay. But there is a possibility to have a single-digit number as the predecessor of a two-digit number. Right. 9 is the predecessor. 9, a single-digit number, is the predecessor of two-digit number 10. So, this statement is false. 1 is the smallest whole number. False. Because we know very well 0 is the smallest whole number. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Yes, natural number begin with 1. So, it has no predecessor. Next, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. This statement is false because whole number begin with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Like that it goes on. So 1 has the predecessor 0 in whole set of whole numbers. Okay. The whole number 1 has predecessor 0. So the given statement 1 has no predecessor is false. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. No. Between 11 and 12 we don't have 13. It lies beyond 12. Right. So this statement is also false. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes, the whole number 0 has no previous number. Okay, 0 minus 1 is not possible in whole numbers because whole numbers are beginning with 0 only. So this statement is true. The successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. This is also false because successor of a two-digit number, consider the largest two-digit number 99. Its successor is 99 plus 1, which is equal to 100, which is not a two-digit number, right? So it is given that successor of a two-digit number is always a two-digit number. It is given here, but 99 plus 1 gives you 100. So this statement is false. A two-digit number plus 1 can be a three-digit number. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to Nithyaviin Padivugal. Thank you. Keep practicing.